Okay, traders, this is the Yen guy, and this is a follow-up to the Pound Aussie trade that I called out last night, and so let's kind of watch and see what happened to it. The pair came out of the Asian accumulation session, and it cycled up, and I entered a sell on the Rock Manager, and the Rock Manager took the balance of my account, and it opened up its first trade based on a predefined risk of 3% of my account, and it's opened up the first position. It set the stop loss, initial stop loss, above the high of the day, and then as the pair starts to cycle down, it opened an additional trade for each 15 pips. So there is a second trade that was opened, and shortly it will open the third trade. And this was the initial initial take profit that I had set. This is kind of in fast motion, so I've made adjustments to the chart as I go along, so you can kind of see, what the Rock Manager does as far as drawing these important numbers and levels. And I've got my take profit initially set. Now I moved it down to the 82.50 area, which happens to be the quarter point. So we're going to see how far it goes down here, and see it's now opened its third position. And of course, this video is compressed into about a 5-minute video, but it actually took over 5 hours for this trade to pay out. And you can see we're up 50 pips on our first position, 30 pips on our second, and 10 pips on our third position at this point. And now it's cycling down to this quarter point here at 182.50. I do expect some sort of initial support there. So we're going to just set our stop loss at that, or our take profit at that 82.50, and we'll see what happens here. It looks to me like when I was watching this trade, I could tell that this number was going to be a real strong level, and because it's made 2 attempts already at it, so as we get down there closer to it, the Rock Manager alerts you and tells you that you're getting close to a quarter point, which this is a quarter point. Again, it's 1.8250. And so we're now up 50 pips, 40 pips, and 20 pips. I think we're just going to go ahead and take our profit at that level. And you can tell that the pair now is basing. It looks like the dealer's trapping people long now. It looks like he might have other intentions instead of running this pair completely down. Here is the 1-minute chart, and you can see exactly what it's doing. And I think we're just going to, when we get back down here to that quarter point one more time, we're going to take our profit. There's the stop hunt. And this is where I ended up taking my profit on this trade. And we'll take a look and see what happened at the rest of the night.